Yeah, hi everybody. Hopefully everybody's fine, and I'm so sorry. It's getting more busy here because we have uh, met with students, and the students have come here, so no more time to post any lesson or any topic. So I'm back here to introduce a new topic. So the topic that I'm gonna share today is how to use a contrast. To show a contrast, we can use these three words. Number one is we can use even though, and number two is although, and number three is though. How to show the difference? How to see the difference? The difference is where we place them. So even though and although are put in the beginning of a sentence, while though is put at the end of a sentence. And we also can use three of them in the middle of a sentence. Well, here we will give you more examples or sentences to help you understand how to show or to express a contrast. Here is the sentence, how to use even though and although. So the first sentence is, although I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight. Although I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight. So we can also change although becomes even though. Even though I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight. Even though I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight. And the second sentence is, although the rain comes, I keep going to school. Although the rain comes, I keep going to school. We can also change although becomes even though. So it becomes, even though the rain comes, I keep going to school. Even though the rain comes, I keep going to school. When we put the contrast in the middle of a sentence, here are the sentences. Number one is, I can never seem to lose any weight, although I exercise a lot. We can also use, I can never seem to lose any weight, though I exercise a lot. So the second sentence is, I keep going to school, although the rain comes. We can change, I keep going to school even though the rain comes. We can also change, I keep going to school though the rain comes. When the contrast word is placed at the back of a sentence, here are some sentences. So the first sentence is, I study very hard, I can't pass the exam though. I study very hard, I can't pass the exam though. Number two is, I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight though. I exercise a lot, I can never seem to lose any weight though. And the next sentence is, the rain comes, I keep going to school though. The rain comes, I keep going to school though. And the next sentence is, she has many friends, she feels lonely though. She has many friends, she keeps lonely though. So these are the sentences to show contrast. So thank you and see you next time.